Recently, I ran into a problem in the shop where I needed to drill a hole in the center of a short piece of dowel. And that presents two challenges. First, I need to be able to locate the center of the dowel, and I also need to clamp it in a way that it's not going to spin once I start drilling. So here's the solution I came up with. It's just a scrap piece of MDF, and then I cut a kerf down the center. You could use a table saw or a bandsaw. After that, I clamped the board in place and I drilled a hole the size of the dowel with a Forstner bit. Now with the board still clamped into place, I change out the Forstner bit into the drill bit I'm going to use to drill my dowel. So I can set that dowel right in place so I know it's perfectly centered under the bit, and then put a clamp across my scrap, and as you can see, that kerf closes up so I can get a good clamping pressure on the dowel so it's not going to spin once I start drilling. Make sure that's good to go. Now I can turn on the drill press and drill that hole in the center of my dowel, and it's a really easy solution to a common problem that you might find in your shop.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video tip, be sure to subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. Now, every week we're adding great woodworking tips and woodworking videos. All you have to do is hit the bell to be notified. Plus, you'll find project plans and downloads in the description below.